to our post-game conference. Kasama natin si Coach Leo Austria ng San Miguel. Coach, big win. Dikitan yung laban. Anong masasabi mo dun sa pinakitang composure ng San Miguel?
Well, this is the kind of game na kailangan ma-experience namin at the early start of this conference. And because the last game we had against Titans is really frustrating, and we thought na that kind of game is could give us some trouble. But I'm so happy tonight because nakita natin yung tunay na laro ng San Miguel. In a close fight, talagang nakapokus sila. Unlike no last game, I think everybody was so out-focused because we give up a lot of pass break points and then turnover points, and that's huge. But tonight, still give up 16 pass break points and 21 turnover points. So that's huge pa rin. Slowly siguro we can recover siguro tama-tama on our next game. But our next game is really a fantastic team because of the kind of player they have. And everybody was so inspired with their import ball. And I hope na this kind of game we played give us some inspiration, and to compete with them. Because if we lost tonight, I think that game is really difficult for us next game. Because the morale of the player is too low, and after losing Titans, so it give us a lot of two sleepless night, But I'm so happy. This guy, Junmar Pajardos, really focused in this game, and he told me before, in the last 2 days, Coach, bawi tayo. And that's what he showed today with 27 points and 17 rebounds. I think he's close to his average. But I'm so happy with the players. So many players nag-step up.